Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Mark Johns, Technical Sales Agronomist with Corteva Agriscience. And this afternoon I'd like to talk to you about multiple mode of action, why it's important. We're creatures of habit, and there's a saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So if we find a herbicide that we like and it works, we tend to overuse it. We'll use it every year. But quite often those herbicides may only have a single mode of action. They might have more than one active ingredient in it, but only one mode of action is driving control on those hard to kill weeds like cleavers, chickweed, hemp nettle, wild buckwheat, etc. So what's a multiple mode of action? Well, that's going to be a product or a tank mix where we have different modes of action that all by themselves would control those target weed species, and we put them both into the same tank mix. We're going to throw a curveball at those weeds. So in this example here, with the Simplicity GoDRI and Paradigm plus MCPA, Simplicity is a Group 2 wild oat herbicide that has a very strong cross-spectrum or broad-spectrum activity on broadleaf weeds as well. And Paradigm has a Group 4 and Group 2 actives. Group 4 actives Aerolix, and that's been a fantastic tool for dealing with weed resistance to herbicide. So at this particular site, I'm just going to give you an idea what we're working with here. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you. We've got a lot of smartweed here. We've got some groundsel. There's wild buckwheat, lamb's quarters, and a fair bit of millet and buckwheat, of course. And I'm going to move over into the Paradigm Simplicity treatment, and you'll notice that it has absolutely leveled that big smartweed, lamb's quarters, and wild buckwheat, as well as giving us strong suppression on some of the perennial weed species in this plot. So thanks a lot, and we'll stay tuned, and we'll probably see you again.